Hello, let me show you how to check warranty in Samsung by using IMEI. First, you have to open a browser and then go to IMEI.info website. When you are here, just enter your IMEI number to the empty bracket, go for reCAPTCHA protection, and click on check. Now you can see whole specification about your Samsung. Then, if you want to check warranty, you should choose check serial number warranty carrier, click again at check, and wait 10 seconds while your order is processing. As you can see, you can come up with plenty of very useful information. Here is warranty valid, here is estimated warranty end date, and warranty time. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.